Hey everybody, it's been a few days since I've made a video. I've had a little setback. I think it's just due to the healing process. Things are happening quickly though. Since I'm not wearing a stocking anymore, the blood is starting to dissipate from the incision site down my leg, and that's making these muscle groups really painful, especially the main rectus femoris muscle that it really fires when I step and I land in a bent knee position. So I'm trying not to land in a straight leg position and use my hip, but to walk as normal as I can. It's still, I've been saying that since my surgery. That's my one thing I'm trying to concentrate on, is to walk correctly with an even gait and using my body the way it's supposed to be used instead of making compensations. But all is good. I did have a little setback the other day. I felt like I hurt my leg a little bit. I took a bike ride. I thought it would be okay. First few revolutions on the bike kind of hurt a little bit, but it was kind of a short bike ride, maybe 20 minutes. I was trying to concentrate on pushing evenly with my legs. Nowhere near as strong as this leg was, the affected leg, but it was a good little ride. The only problem was when I came home, I hit the driveway and in sort of a bent knee position, because I always stand up, there's a little water there, and it kind of made my muscles, my quads flex a little bit. I heard a little pop. It was all tendon though. Everything's fine. Everything is still where it's supposed to be. But nevertheless, challenged my muscles again a little bit. So very sore all night. Been icing a lot. Started taking hot baths to kind of move this blood around as well. What I've been doing is the doctor really doesn't want me in a bathtub with my incision not healed fully. So I filled this big whirlpool bath that we have full of hot to warm to hot water. Put some Hibiclens in the water, and I cleaned the bathtub with Hibiclens first as well. Rinsed it out, and then put the water in and squirted some 2% Hibiclens in there, and washed my wound first, and then washed it again afterwards to make sure that everything was clean. I cleaned myself very well as well before I got in. All that is recommended. I just wanted to sit in real hot water to help loosen some of this up. And then after that, I cooled down and iced as well. So I think the hot cold therapies are really good. Probably shouldn't get underneath water. But I took a chance, and I think it was okay with the Hibiclens. I think that helped me. Nevertheless, feeling better, still trying to concentrate landing evenly on both legs. Going back to work in 2 days, so I'm really trying to challenge myself to walk a little bit, but get proper rest and nutrition as well. Still taking my pain medicine, not taking any narcotics anymore. And my multivitamins, D3 and calcium. I'm very, very consistent with that, because that is going to ensure that my bone adheres to the prosthetic in a timely fashion, which is ultimately what we want. So hot and sweaty today once again, but I think that's good. Warm your body up. It's probably just as good as a hot bath. And I'm still doing my abductions and extensions and flexions. I'm still doing those exercises. I've sort of discontinued walking upstairs just because it's a little painful after that bike ride, but I will get back to that and try to conquer those as well. Thanks for listening. Here's my dance. Hurts like hell. Thanks.